G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D TV. I'm KC, and in today's video it's the long awaited part 2 of the Holden Astra Bertone Convertible rebuild. But firstly, I'd like to say a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers and our old faithful subscribers and viewers all around the world, and we hope you're all doing okay wherever you are. As you can see, it's just a bit of a recap on what the damage was on this vehicle, so we'll get right into it. Righto, before we start cleaning, I'm going to show you the front bumper, and we've also done the front headlights. We haven't done the front bumper yet because I'm actually going to mount that all on the car first, because we're going to do all of this repair here, as you can see here. So we'll fix all of that when it's on there, and then I'll also repaint the front bumper. Also got to repaint the back bumper, but that's life. But I'll show you the headlights because that was the original old headlight, and at the back you'll see here it has the mounts broken off there, and these here are also cracked on both headlights. The tabs are both broken. So we'll show you the new headlight. Now, as you can see, wow, huge difference, isn't there? Well, that there. Now, I fitted these headlights all up off camera because it was just too much fiddly work. I had to put that rubber seal around it, right around as well, and then also fit all of the globes. And the it's also got an actuator in it there, this unit here, which we can make tilt the headlights up and down. Typical European car, but it is a Holden, but it is an Opel as well over in other countries. So yeah, they've all been fitted up. So once they all go in there, it'll look $1 million with all of those brand new lights in the front. So hook in and get the car, and we'll put the pressure washer out here. So we'll organise and get in and hook in and get it cleaned. Okay, so we're going to go into fast motion. As you can see, there's a lot of rubbish all over the paint from sitting around, faded. There's a scratch on the right hand front fender as well, plus all of the scales. So we'll paint that, the damage on the quarter panel there as well. As in the scale on this stuff here was really hard to get off, so just because it's been sitting around for so long. And the rear bumper bar needs painting because all the clear's coming off and it's faded. And also someone pressure washed it before us and took the paint off the edge of the plastic bumper. But we'll get right into it and we'll hook in. And we'll talk to you a bit further on up on the video. made a huge difference already. Okay, so we'll nice hot water, soft sponges, and I've got a soft bristle brush just here, so we can clean the hood up a lot better. Roof, practical roof. This here is going to be an issue. Yes. There's going to be an issue there on the bonnet there, and it's all over it really. Get another angle. It's all over it there, and all the stitch chips all around the front and everything else there. So I might as well paint the whole bonnet, fix all the chips up. That way I can touch up there, because whoever touched it up before, see on the inside of that fender there, even more so on the bonnets up, all the paint's missing, because I obviously didn't wash all the slurry out. There we go. Looks better already. All of that all cleaned up. Really, I will have to do the bonnet, so that's all right. I've got to do the bonnet, I've got to do the front and rear bumper, and I've got to do all of the two door handles. Anything that's plastic basically. There's door molds, the lower sill panels, I'll have to paint them. Got to repair that quarter panel. But wow, big difference already looking. That's cool. I'm happy with that. And thanks to CC, she helped me film today, so that makes it a big difference. And alright, so we'll get organised now, and we'll get in and get the headlights and the bumper on and get it to the next bit. Righto, so now we blow all the electricals out, which we did most of before. So we start up and we do all the lights and blow all of the connections out. Alrighty. Okay folks, so that brings us to the end of part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 where we've got it all together and zooming down the road registered. So we'd all like to thank you very much for watching, and we'd love you to subscribe, hit that notification bell and stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming. We've got customer builds, we've got die-cast builds, we've got model builds and even more. So catch us again on the next one. Bye now.